Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a zip file, or any file really, directly from the internet using the terminal and the curl command. Now the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, we need to make sure the curl tool is actually installed on your Ubuntu system. It is usually pre-installed, but let's be sure. So open your terminal by going to the App menu, then Terminal. Now in the new terminal, just simply paste two commands which you can find in the description box below. So paste the first command, sudo apt update, then hit enter. Then after that, enter your password. And after that, just going to wait for a few seconds. Then paste the second command, sudo apt install curl-y, and then hit enter. Now again, wait for a few seconds. So now for the main event. To download a file, we use the curl command followed by a very important flag, -o, that is capital letter O. This flag tells Ubuntu to save the file with its original name instead of trying to display the code on your screen. So all you have to do is just simply copy and paste this template command in the terminal over here. Paste curl-O https://example.com/archive.zip. Now note, you will need to replace the web address with the actual zip link. So for this tutorial, if you want to test it with a real file, you can use the safe test link from a standard test site, which is also the one that I'm going to use. So simply paste it over here and then hit enter. Now when you hit enter, you will see a little progress bar pop up showing you the download speed and time remaining. And once the progress bar hits 100, the file is on your computer. So let's make sure it arrived safely. So what you do is just simply copy and paste the simple command that is again provided in the description box below. Paste ls, and then just simply hit enter. Now scan the list, and you should see archive.zip, or whatever your file was named, sitting right there. You can unzip it or move it wherever you need. So that's it. You now know how to download a zip file quickly using the curl command. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.